No, JC, I'm learning a lot from you, and it's such an honor seeing you here.
And you have such lovely skin.
Thank you. I try, exfoliation. We gotta preserve it. But
It's probably just God given.
thank you. But have you been paying attention to the space locally? It's been, in terms of the reggae music, especially in particular the women in our music. Any standouts? Any advice you can give
I
to them?
have been noticing them because to me the women have been doing really well. They've caught my attention, and I'm not somebody that really listens to a lot of radio, but I have been, picking up on the young upcoming ladies, and I'm very impressed with them. It's much different from my time. They seem to be very together. They've got their look, they've got a sound, they write, and they're being allowed to do their original material. So I'm very impressed. What I am concerned about, though, is how they are, some of them are already making waves, but I know it's not easy to get the attention, to get that signing and so forth. It's that's where the difficulty is in getting your music to different people's ears.
Right.
That's it, because that's the struggle I have. Even now, we're still, people say, "Why you still a sing?" I mean, I have not stopped singing,
Right.
but it's just to get people to hear what you're putting out. That's where I find the problem. And people would think, "But then you have the whole internet, you have online, But yeah, your stuff is there on YouTube, but how do you direct people to it? That's where we're at.